Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to download and install PostgreSQL in Windows 11 operating system. So first you need to type PostgreSQL download, and here if you see the first link, download PostgreSQL, you can click that link. Now it is showing multiple operating system: Linux, Mac, Windows, Solaris. So today we are installing in Windows, so we click on Windows, and here you see the one more link, download the installer. You can click that one. Now you can see the multiple versions, so 9, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 also available. So today we'll try with 15.7. so come to here Windows, you need to click on this. It will start downloading. So already I downloaded, so it is there in my downloads. This is the version. You can just double click that one. It will ask for confirmation. You can confirm. So it is starting now. Installation is started. Yeah, installation is started now. Now it is showing setup PostgreSQL. Welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. You click on next. Now it is showing the path where it is installing. C drive, program file, PostgreSQL 15th. Click on next. So we need to select whatever you require: PostgreSQL server and pgAdmin. pgAdmin is required to view the tables. This is GUI, Graphical User Interface. In the MySQL, how we are able to see using Workbench, right? Like that, it will be helpful for us. Okay, let's click on next. Click on next. Now it is asking password. You can set some password for this. By default, username is Postgres as of now. So it is asking port number 5432. You can keep by default port number, and you can click on next. See, now it is the installation directory here and server installation directory here, and data will store in this directory, and database port number is this. Database super user is Postgres is the super user for this one. Okay, so it will showing all the information, and click on the next. So now setup is ready. It will start installation now. Click on next. So installation process is started now. It will take few minutes to complete all this process. Just wait for few minutes to complete this process. Yeah, now it is ready. So you can click on finish. Setup has finished installing PostgreSQL on your computer. You can click on finish. Additional softwares. So this is not required. You can just cancel. Then now you can search for pgAdmin. So you are able to see pgAdmin. You can click on open. So pgAdmin will open. Just wait for a few minutes. Waiting for pgAdmin 4 to start. This is a version 4. First time, right? So it will take some time to so now pgAdmin is open. If you see pgAdmin 4, these are the servers. You can click. Now if you see PostgreSQL 15, databases is only one, that is Postgres is the database here. Okay, so like this you can able to download and install the PostgreSQL. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.